So we've talked a lot about all the different benefits and the power of adopting a structured approach to problem solving. You save more time, you're much more deliberate about your approach, you know exactly where you are in the process, right? There are many other benefits. But I'm curious, Mark, do you always take the same structured approach to solving problems?
No, it definitely is depending upon the context. In some cases, if we're doing a new product introduction, for example, it might be a design thinking approach. If there is a lot of data involved, it might be an advanced analytic approach. And generally, there are 5 different approaches that we typically see in problem solving. There's the hypothesis-led approach, which we're going to go into a lot more detail in this course. But there's also many others. There is the domain IP-led approach. There's the advanced analytics approach. There's the design thinking approach, and there's the engineering approach. And depending upon the context of the problem, one approach may be better than another. And then I think another point is you don't always just use one approach. Again, depending upon the context, sometimes it's the combination of different approaches which will get you to the right answer, or in some cases to the answer more quickly.
I love what you said, Mark, because I actually think what is super interesting is that these 5 different problem-solving approaches, though the approaches might be a little bit different, their underlying characteristics are all actually very similar. They all share some common characteristics. They all have a very focused problem statement. They're all impact-oriented. They always take a stakeholder perspective. They're fact-based, and they also focus on synthesis. These characteristics underpin every single one of these different problem-solving approaches.